This study, titled Interaction and Cognition in the Online Language Environment. Technology in online learning has achieved an enormous expansion and currently utilized to support and create sustainable learning. Most of studies which investigated online interaction revolved around the fundamental notion of interaction derived from the socio-cultural premise. The central tenet behind these studies is that communication via this technology is different from face-to-face communication. This can be explained further by referring to the situated cognition theory. Accordingly, online learning needs activities different from any traditional classroom. This study aimed to investigate instructor use of questions with focus on cognition as a potent factor to improve students' participation in classroom interaction. In talking about the methodology, this is a qualitative descriptive study. The sample comprised 20 intermediate level students interacting with two instructors in two different online speaking classrooms. Both instructors were native and have 3 years of experience in teaching online. In talking about data analysis, steered by Bloom taxonomy, the study adapted a classification of cognition to distinguish between high and low cognitive level questions. Secondly, to determine the impact of each question, students' responses were examined in terms of length and syntactic complexity as qualitative and quantitative indicators. And then, by using Cole and Williams classification as a benchmark, all answers were classified into 3 levels of length and complexity. In talking about the results, with regard to the first question, most of instructor questions were at high levels. Regarding the second question, triggering students with high thinking level was an effective engagement strategy to improve classroom interaction. High thinking level question improved the whole classroom interaction, while the low thinking levels question was answered mostly by one student, and some of them were left with no answer. Also, the length and complexity of students' oral production was consistently better with high-level questions. The majority were long and complex as they occurred at the third level. The study found that high demanding cognitive level questions can be appropriately used in the synchronous online and classroom. A high cognitive level facilitates students' engagement in online learning, hence improving interaction in online learning. Thank you for your listening.